Hi, welcome back to Create Tomazat. In 25 rice recipe series, today we are going to make my favorite tomato rice. Here I have taken 1.5 cup cooked rice, 2 large tomato. My tomatoes were not such sour, so I have taken half lemon, 1 large onion chopped, half inch ginger, 5 to 6 garlic pods. We'll grind the ginger, garlic and green chilies to a coarse paste. 1 teaspoon turmeric, 2 teaspoon chili powder. For tempering, 2 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 dried chili, 2 teaspoon urad dal, 2 teaspoon chana dal and some cashews. Salt as required. I always add salt and lemon juice to the cooked rice so that it gets soaked into the rice. Mix it very well. In a kadai, take 2 tablespoons of oil and add tempering ingredients one by one as shown here. Forgot to show, add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Add turmeric, add chili powder, saute in oil for a few minutes, add some curry leaves, some coriander leaves and crushed ginger, garlic, green chilies. Add onions and saute well. If you think you need more oil, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Adjust the salt and then add tomatoes. Add a teaspoon of garam masala for extra flavor. Sprinkle some coriander leaves, add rice and mix well. This is my son's favorite school lunch. See you in another video. Until then, bye.